How's it going, everyone? So here's a little tip. It is summertime here. I'm in my fancy shorts. We got the queen bee. She's behind the camera, so she's in the suit. I thought I had my other suit with me, and I grabbed my kid's suit, so it doesn't fit me. So I'm in my jacket. That's why I have shorts on. Anyways, we're moving hives in this yard, and our temperatures are about 100 and feels like around 105, 110. And we need to move hives though, and when it's in extreme heat like this, these have to be ventilated. And you can't underestimate the ventilation. They can suffocate within a very, very short time frame. And so we don't want that. And so what we're doing is, first off, we're making sure the colonies are good and that we got a good queen in them. So we re-queened this whole yard, and so we are back checking for queens first. Make sure that they all got mated, and then they're going to be set up on a new yard. So this is our teaching yard. And so that is good. We got queen in here. Got lots of pollen on this side. They look healthy. There's eggs. I don't need to find the queen. We're just verifying a queen is in there. So she's in there. They got all this on. That's food. We're pretty much done with our nectar flow. But this is one of our teaching yards, and we're having to close it, so we're having to move this whole entire yard out, which we've gotten a lot moved out, but we're moving the rest of them. So what we do is we take this number 8 right here, and we staple it down. Good thing these bees are nice. And then we'll trim it up. Put the lid back on. So now they have a screen. And then tomorrow morning is when we're going to be moving these, or we'd wait till night and we'd move them. And then we will, when we move them, we'll take this lid off. And then that way they got ample airflow on them. They can travel in the heat as long as we're not stopping and, you know, eating and stuff. But we'll just go straight to our yard when we load them. It's going to be about 3 hours from this location. We're setting up in a completely different location with 6 hives. We'll be in Medicine Park with them, and down by Lawton and stuff. So there's new yards that we're setting up. So, you know, one chapter closes, another one opens, but we're shutting down one of our teaching yards, and this is how we transport them, especially in this type of heat. All right, y'all be keeping it real. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.